Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to make the most delicious Guyanese fried rice. To get started, here I have some long grain basmati rice. I'll be using some carrots, some bora, better known as long bean. I have green onions, bell peppers, sweet corn, green peas. I have garlic and ginger, onions, some soy sauce. I have Chief's Chinese sauce, some cassareep. I'll be using some Chinese 5-spice, complete seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, seasoned salt, black pepper, and some brown sugar. So here in a medium-sized pot, I did add about 1 tablespoon of oil, and now I'll go in with some sesame oil. We will now add our rice. Make sure you wash the rice thoroughly before adding it. And we will toast the rice a bit. We will let it go for about 3 minutes in the oil, and then I'll show you guys the next step. Next, we'll add our seasonings, mix really well, and we'll let it go for about, let's say, 2 minutes. We want to season the rice from jump so that it will have the flavor and taste all the way through. We'll also add our brown sugar here. I like to add a tad bit of sugar to my fried rice because it balances everything out, and it have a really great taste. Next, we'll go in with our sauces to add color and flavor to the rice. Now, you can use any sauce that you have on hand. It doesn't have to be the ones I'm using. I just prefer to keep it all the way Guyanese by adding a little cassareep and some Chief's Chinese sauce. But if you just have soy sauce or you have hoisin sauce, oyster sauce, those sauces can work as well. After we've added our sauces, we'll give it a minute so that the sauces can absorb into the rice, and then we'll go in with some hot water, just covering the rice a bit, and we will let the rice cook until all the water evaporates. Once all your liquid evaporates, this is how your rice will be looking. What we'll do here is stir the rice up a bit so that the bottom comes to the top and the top goes to the bottom. And we will place a piece of foil wrap over top of the pot so that it can steam. We will place the foil wrap, cover, and let this go for an extra 5 minutes on low heat, and then we'll be done. Once it's done, you can allow it to cool off for about 20 to 30 minutes before moving on to the next step. In a medium-sized pot, I did add about 1 tablespoon of oil, and now I'll add my onions, garlic and ginger, and my bell peppers. We'll let it go for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, we'll add our vegetables, and we'll season them up lightly with some seasoned salt and black pepper. Remember, we don't need to over season because we already season our rice really well. So you don't want to overpower the dish with too much seasoning. Once this is cooked for about 2 to 3 minutes, we'll go ahead and start adding our rice. Lastly, we will add our rice, give it a good mix. Then to garnish, we'll add some grated carrots and green onions. And that's it. Super simple and easy to make this. And this is the Guyanese version of fried rice. This is how we make our fried rice back in Guyana. Well, some people have different ways in making it, but this is my version and it is so delicious. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. So today I'll be enjoying my fried rice with some char siu pork or Chinese barbecue pork This is very popular back in Guyana. Guyanese folks know what I'm talking about. I will leave the link to the recipe for the pork down in my description box for those that are interested. And this fried rice is so versatile. It can go with anything. It's perfect for your holiday table. I hope you guys give the recipe a try. And if you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy.